Part 2 of going to the fridge. I hope this thing doesn't happen again.
Sweetie!
What, Dad?
Hey, sweetie.
Hey! Alright, yeah, that should be good. I need this drink back. Back inside the fridge.